I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to check your account balance on WorldRemit, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the WorldRemit app. Launch the WorldRemit app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. Tap on it, then select Account Settings. Step 4. Check Balance. In the Account Settings section, find the Balance option. This will display your current account balance along with any recent transactions. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, remember to log out, especially if you were using a shared device. Tap on the menu icon again and select Log Out. I hope this helps you easily check your account balance on WorldRemit. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.